थैंक यू वेरी मच। आप सब यहाँ शॉर्ट नोटिस पे आए हैं। ये मैं आपके साथ आपके सामने कुछ बातें रखना चाह रहा हूं। एक हमारे युवा नेता हैं जिन्होंने आज पार्लियामेंट में कुछ बातें रखी। He has a habit of making baseless allegations. There are two kinds of leaders. There are those who assume responsibility in the political system and then dedicate their lives to Samaj Seva, transforming the country. Those leaders who have devoted their lives and ensured that during their lifetime the country is able to move from the 10th largest economy to the 3rd largest economy. We are the 4th now. Soon we'll be the 3rd largest. And then there are other leaders who occasionally come to the country. Sometimes they're traveling abroad. And when they come to Parliament, as one of my colleagues said, पहले तो ये पार्लियामेंट से बाहर हो जाते थे। अगर कोई सब्सटेंटिव रिप्लाई दे रहा तो उसको सुनने नहीं आते थे, यूज्ड टू वॉक आउट। और आज अपनी स्पीच देने के बाद चले गए। You know the leader I'm referring to is the same person who many years ago, मुझे याद है 2013 की बात है, when the Prime Minister of India then, Dr. Manmohan Singh, was traveling abroad, this gentleman took an ordinance which was approved by the cabinet और उन्होंने प्रेस आप जैसे वरिष्ठ पत्रकारों को बुला के निमंत्रित करके उनके सामने ऑर्डिनेंस फाड़ के हवा में फेंक दी। This is the same युवा leader who a few months ago said that one particular Brazilian model has name had appeared and that she had voted several times. बहुत लोग people were very interested ये कौन सी ब्राजीलियन मॉडल है जो इतनी बार वोट कर गई। वो पता लगा ब्राजीलियन तो है, मॉडल है, पर किसी ने उनको गलत इंफॉर्मेशन युवा नेता को दे दी थी और युवा नेता ने जो उनको इंफॉर्मेशन दी वो जाके उन्होंने जनता के सामने रख दी, only to cut a sorry figure later. On another occasion, I think ये पिछला संविधान दिवस नवंबर वाला नहीं, उससे पहले वाला, उसके आसपास या शायद इमरजेंसी के 50 years when we were celebrating, एक संविधान की कॉपी लेके जो सेलोफीन पेपर में रैप थी, he was waving in the air. तो उनके सारे कार्डर भी they were waving that copy of the constitution in the air. और किसी ने बाद में सेलोफीन कवरिंग निकाली और कहा कि देख तो लो ये कौन सी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बात कर रहे हो। This is the one which has in its preface, it has I think the 6th or 7th edition, जिसमें इमरजेंसी जो इंपोज हुई थी जून 75 उसकी धज्जियां उड़ाई गई थी और कहा गया था दिस इज द ओनली इंस्टेंस इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया, in the history of the Indian Constitution when civil liberties were curtailed. तो ये वो उस किस्म के नेता हैं। अभी पीछे he said India's is a dead economy. अरे मेरे भाई, किसी शब्द का इस्तेमाल करने से पहले अगर डिक्शनरी मीनिंग नहीं तो कॉमन सेंस मीनिंग ले लो। डेड वो होती है चीज जो no life. Here is an economy which grew last quarter at 8.2%, उसके पहले at 7.8%, क्योंकि बाहर में किसी ने बोला था डेड इकोनॉमी तो नेताजी ने उसकी बात करके। तो मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं कि ये जो करते हैं इसकी एंटरटेनमेंट वैल्यू नहीं है, एंटरटेनमेंट वैल्यू काफी है। पर ऑन द वन हैंड यू हैव लीडर्स हु डेडिकेट देयर लाइव्स टू ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग द कंट्री, हु वर्क अराउंड द क्लॉक, एंड देन यू हैव एलिमेंट्स ऑफ बफूनरी. I'm choosing my words carefully. Elements of buffoonery. I did not call him a buffoon. I said elements of buffoonery. क्योंकि ये होता है, इधर की बात उधर की बात। तो मैं आपको याद करवाना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि आज उन्होंने ड्यूरिंग द सेशन मेरा नाम लिया इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ सम डेवलपमेंट्स एल्सवेयर, द एप्स्टाइन फाइल्स, तो मैं आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर सम इंफॉर्मेशन विद यू। पिछला जो संविधान दिवस हुआ वो था शायद 26 नवंबर को 2025 में। मैं भी था वहां पे। इट वॉज इन दी सेंट्रल हॉल ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, जो हमारी पुरानी बिल्डिंग का है। सो लगता है कि वो जब प्रोग्राम कार्यक्रम खत्म हुआ, ही केम अप टू मी, और जो इनकी स्टाइल है जब मूड में होते हैं तो ही विंक्ड एट मी लाइक दिस। सो आई वाज आल्सो अम्यूज्ड, ये क्या कह रहे हैं। सो ही सेज नेम इज इन इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेसेस, नेम इज इन इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेसेस। तो मैंने उनसे पूछा, मैंने कहा यू want to know what the facts are, do you want to a note on it? So I actually sent him a note. ये 26 नवंबर की बात है। आज मैं इसको क्यों दोहरा रहा हूं बात को, क्योंकि इनकी एक प्रवक्ता है, उसका नाम है सुप्रिया श्रीनाटे, श्रीनेटे, ओके। साउंड्स अ महाराष्ट्रियन नेम, आई शुड नो यार। इट्स अ महाराष्ट्रियन नेम ना? नहीं? Okay, whatever, wherever she's from. She may have contested from UP, but coming to the point, she says, after all these baseless allegations that he made, that, you know, India-US trade deal, this, that, because there is some grip, there is some blockage, etc., and Anil Ambani and Hardeep Puri took my name. So the question she raises in this email, who introduced Hardeep Puri, I presume, to Epstein? So I just want to tell you that these facts are all known, they're in the public domain. 3 million emails have been released. All right? In these 3 million emails, I am in New York for 8 years. Okay? We are talking about the period 2009, May, when I joined as India's ambassador to the UN in New York, and when I became a minister in 2017. 8 years ही हो गया ना? Okay. 9 to, yeah. Then there are references to possibly 3 or 4 meetings in 8 years. And if anybody has seen my website or had done the homework, but I decided to tell the Yuva Necha, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, because he winked at me and asked me, name an interesting places. So I said, I'll send you a note. And in that note, I told him that after I resigned as, not resigned, retired as India's ambassador to the UN, a few months later, I was invited to join the International Peace Institute. The International Peace Institute is an institute which was set up many, many years earlier for the purposes of international peacekeeping by the UN. But I was not part of the IPI per se. I was Secretary General of something called the Independent Commission on Multilateralism. This was a commission set up in the IPI as a project to see if the United Nations was fit for purpose on the occasion of its 75th anniversary. Okay? Now, the president of this, the chair of this was a former Prime Minister of Australia. I was the Secretary General. My boss in the IPI, Mr. Terry Rod Larson, was the person who knew this particular infamous person, Mr. Epstein. And it is as part of a delegation of the IPI or the ICM that I met Mr. Epstein on a few occasions, 3 or maximum 4. And the ICM was dealing with international issues, thematic issues, and Mr. Epstein was not part of it. The kind of people who were on the ICM were the former Prime Minister of Australia, Mr. Kevin Rudd, was a chairman. Borge Brende from Norway, who I believe is the head of a World Economic Forum now. Hannah Tete from Ghana. Jose Manuel Ramos Horta from Timor-Leste. He is the president now of Timor-Leste. Miss Patricia Espinoza Cantanello from Mexico was the co-chair. And ICM worked on key international issues to see how the UN could be made fit for purpose. Acha, is Doran, very interestingly, in 8 years, there are 2 references or 1 email which I exchange, which is because they have introduced me, that is my contacts have introduced me to a man called Reid Hoffman. Reid Hoffman was the founder of LinkedIn. I don't know how many of you are on LinkedIn. I suspect many of you are on LinkedIn. So I meet Mr. Reid Hoffman of LinkedIn, and after the meeting with Reid Hoffman, I send a message. Now, the Epstein files, the Yuva Neta should know, are about wrongdoing, criminal offenses. The Epstein files are about charges that he had an island where he used to take people to indulge their sexual fantasies, charges of pedophilia, and there are victims of this. Those victims have brought cases against the people in authority. My interaction has got nothing to do with that. My interaction, and this is the only substantive email, there are one or two others also I'll give you. This is dated 13th November 2014. It's a long email. Anybody wants a copy, it's available on the internet. The DOJ, Mr. Rahul Gandhi says, the Department of Justice has put out flights. अरे भाई दुनिया ने देख लिया, उसको analyze कर लिया. What am I telling Mr. Reid Hoffman on an email which is copied to Epstein? I'm saying, I am now convinced more than ever that India today presents a terrific opportunity for internet-based economic activity. I'm just reading out parts of it. India, with 200 million users, is the world's fastest growing country for internet users. 5 million users are added every month, and India will have 500 million users by 2018. Newly elected Prime Minister Modi's focus to revive the Indian economy includes an audaciously ambitious plan to expand rural internet coverage to 250,000 villages by 2017 from the existing 130,000. Another major focus of the Modi government is the Make in India campaign. English, the language through which the Western world sees India, is spoken only by a limited percentage of India's population, less than 10% to be precise. And then the Modi government is placing strong emphasis on innovation and skill creation. LinkedIn's 28 million clientele constitutes its second largest market after the US. Vaya, here is a professional. I'm not even part of the government. In the month of November 2014, I was a private citizen. Somebody says they want to look at India. I may have a meeting with Reid Hoffman, who is the founder of LinkedIn, on the west coast of the United States. And I start my email by saying, I am now convinced more than ever that India today presents a terrific opportunity, and that Reid Hoffman should visit India to see the changes which are coming. Or another thing I want to tell you, ये जो चीजें मैं बोल रहा हूँ, Digital India, Make in India, I'm talking about this in the month of November 2014. If memory serves me right, these projects started in 2015. So here I was a far-sighted private citizen who knows what kind of work the Modi government is going to do and the kind of transformation is here. So if this is what it is, this is what they call, Hardeep Puri's name appears in the Epstein file. Yeah, name. 2 pages. एक और बताऊं. This is even more interesting. They saw after a while that I had no interest in their kind of activities. So एक email है from Terry Rod Larson. By the way, Terry Rod Larson का मैं आपको बता दूं, he was not only the president of the IPI, but he was also the same person who had actually initiated the work on the Oslo Accords, जो Middle East में हुआ था. Let me also tell you, I'll read out the para. Terry Rod Larson came to prominence as a key figure in the 1990s. Negotiations led to the Oslo Accords, the first ever agreements between Israel and the Palestine Liberation Organization, when he served as the director of the FOFO Institute. Arey bhai, at that stage, this is what he was doing. Now, all this I had sent in a note to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, hoping that he will understand. But periodically, Priyanka ji say, आपके मंत्री महोदय का भी नाम एप्स्टाइन फाइल्स में आया. अरे भाई, और पढ़ तो लो कहां पे फाइल आया है. और दूसरा एक और मैं ईमेल दिखाता हूं. ये 2014 के मैंने पढ़ी है, आपको इंडिया के बारे में असेसमेंट दी. ये ईमेल है इन दोनों के बीच में, लार्सन और जेफरी एप्स्टाइन के बीच में. ये दिसंबर 25 का है. दिसंबर 25 का क्या मतलब है? क्रिसमस डे, ओके। तो एक तरह से सीजन ग्रीटिंग हो रही है। देन ही रिफर्स टू मी एप्स्टाइन एंड ही सेज टू फेस्ड। दिस इज इंग्लिश। टू फेस्ड का मतलब क्या हुआ है? यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ टू फेस्ड? व्हाट डज इट मीन? कि आदमी ठीक नहीं है। हाँ, उनके वैल्यू सिस्टम में बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं था, बिकॉज दे वर डीलिंग विद समथिंग एल्स एंड आई डिड दैट। उसके बाद वो जवाब देता है लार्सन उसको, हैव यू हर्ड द सेइंग व्हेन यू मीट एन इंडियन एंड अ स्नेक किल द इंडियन फर्स्ट? अरे राहुल बाबा, इसको पढ़ लेते। आपने जब बात की, प्रियंका जी ने बात की, बाकियों ने बात की, मेरा नाम एप्स्टाइन, वो हजारों मेम्स बन गई हैं। वो कह रहे हैं कि वो बड़े जो वर्ल्ड लीडर्स है वो उस लपेट में आ गए और मेरा देश, मेरा भारत महान है और मैं डिजिटल इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूं। सो आई वांट टू थैंक देम कि उन्होंने मेरा नाम लिया। कई इस दुनिया में लोग हैं जो मुझे नहीं जान पाते, बट थैंक्स टू दिस काइंड ऑफ बफूनरी आई एम गेटिंग अ चांस टू टॉक टू यू ऑल्सो। दीज आर द हार्ड फैक्ट्स। नाउ इन्होंने क्या बात की है? आज राहुल जी ने जब अपीयर हुए तो ही हैड कम टू स्पीक ऑन द बजट। बजट में करते करते वो मैंने इकोनॉमिक सर्वे पढ़ा है, इकोनॉमिक सर्वे में ये है, कुछ बातें हैं, वो ये है, वो डेटा इज द न्यू गोल्ड, और फिर वो एनर्जी है, फिर वो ये है, वो तो सब तक ठीक है। फिर आके कहते हैं कि देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ अ चोक, जिसके कारण हमने हमारी जो इंटरनेशनल इंटरैक्शन है ना, दैट इज बीइंग हेल्ड हॉस्टेज टू सम प्रेशर। अरे मेरे भाई, थोड़ा सा पढ़ लिख लो। 50% of India's GDP is in the external sector, which is the value of goods and services exported and imported, the remittances. For India, it is very essential that we have international agreements and trade agreements, free trade agreements. Which other country in such a short period of time has pulled off 9 trade agreements? The whole world is praising the Prime Minister for his reforming India, for transforming it from a $2 trillion to a $4 trillion economy, for moving it from the 10th position to the 4th position and onward to the 3rd position. The IMF has raised our expectation of rate of growth from 6.6 to 7.3%. We have signed a trade deal with the EU, 27 countries, which was pending for 16 years. And thereafter with the US. And the US also, this is a framework agreement of an interim framework of an interim arrangement. More work will be done. देखिए, मैं ट्रेड नेगोशिएटर रहा हूं। I don't know what year was Mr. Rahul Gandhi born? 75. Well, in 1981, I was part of India's delegation to the General Agreement, Tariffs and Trade. And I can tell you, as a trade negotiator, you never negotiate on terms, on conditions which you lay out. You negotiate in a condition which is given. Today, everybody says it's a very turbulent global situation. In the midst of all that, the Prime Minister and the trade team have succeeded in getting a very good deal. Now, usme ye hai, nahi hai, that's not the purpose of my presentation. But pata nahi, usko link kar diya. एक कोई इंडस्ट्रियल है, उसका नाम मैं नहीं लूंगा, उसका नाम भी है, वो अभी अरेस्टेड क्यों नहीं है? अरे भाई, दैट इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैज टू फेस इश्यूज हियर. His proximity to you was higher than any proximity he has with us. Whether he's arrested or not, it's not the issue. How are you linking these things? Sadak pe koi, if camel is walking, on the other side is a dog walking, he's linking the two. I think the dog barked in a neighboring city and the camel ran. This is the kind of logic. This is young. There is an entertainment value. I said there are elements of buffoonery. But please, since you made a reference to me and my name in the Epstein file, there are many of you sitting here. I don't want to name you. Some in the front row, some who asked me, sir, ये क्या बोल रहा है? और मैंने कहा, यार, क्या बोल रहा है? पहले देखो, मैं भी ढूंढ रहा था opportunity. I was holding my fire. मैंने एक बारी ठीक करा. प्रियंका जी ना, आपके भी मंत्री का मंत्री महोदय का नाम है. अरे बताओ तो सही नाम है. आज उसने कुछ बोला. सुप्रिया श्रीनटे ने एक सवाल पूछा कोट ट्वीट में, आपको किसने इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था? तो मैंने आपको इंट्रोडक्शन की भी बात बता दी. अगर आप मेरी वेबसाइट पढ़ लेते, इट्स इन पब्लिक डोमेन, बड़े सालों से है और ऐसा है, इसमें कोई बात नहीं है. सो दिस इनुएंडो एंड स्मीयर कैंपेन हैज गिवन मी द प्रिविलेज एंड द opportunity to talk to all of you and place the facts before you. If you have any doubts on any of these issues, please feel free to ask me. I'll be very happy. Just identify yourself. Yeah. देखिए, मैं आपको थैंक यू फॉर, जैसे आज बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सचेंज हुई. सॉरी, मैं आपको, आई डोंट वांट टू कट यू सर, प्लीज करिए, क्योंकि मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. नहीं, ऐसा है, स्पीकर साहब, जो स्पीकर नहीं, जो प्रिजाइडिंग ऑफिसर साहब से जो बात कर रहे थे, ऑनरेबल जगदम्बिका पाल जी, जो ही वाज प्रिजाइडिंग ओवर द हाउस, मुझे थोड़ी सी घबराहट हुई, क्योंकि द लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन सेड आप भी हमारी पार्टी में थे. मुझे डर था कोई ऐसी बात तो नहीं कर जाएगी जो उन्होंने बिट्टू के साथ की थी. याद है, ही यूज द वर्ड बिट्टू ट्रेटर. यू एग्जैक्टली. मैं कभी कभी गद्दार वर्ड डजंट हैव द सेम मीनिंग एज ट्रेटर. ट्रेटर इज देशद्रोही. तो मुझे डर था, मैंने कहा जगदम्बिका पाल को नहीं बोला है. फिर कहता है उसको पता लगा कोई पिटाई हुई है बिट्टू के बारे, जब बोला, बिट्टू जी के बारे बोला, तो ही सेड नहीं, बिकॉज यू आर फ्रॉम आवर पार्टी आई विल बी सॉफ्ट ऑन यू. भाई, जो उन्होंने बोला मैं ऑथेंटिकेट कर रहा हूं. उनका ऐसा है, अगर आप कुछ ट्वीट कर दें, ट्वीट के ऊपर कोई और कर दे, किसी किताब में कुछ छपा हो, कुछ कर दे, उसको वो ऑथेंटिकेशन मानते हैं. अरे मेरे भाई, जो उसने कहा, आई सॉ अ स्टेटमेंट बाय माय डियर फ्रेंड एंड कोलीग श्री किरण रिजिजू जी. उन्होंने कहा कि दे विल बी फाइलिंग ए प्रिविलेज मोशन अगेंस्ट श्री राहुल गांधी. वो प्रिविलेज मोशन तो होगी बिकॉज ही हैज अटर्ड अनट्रूथ्स, वो तो अलग से होगी, पर जो स्पष्ट तरीके से जो उन्होंने कहा, उन्होंने क्वेरी पूछी कि हु इंट्रोड्यूस्ड यू, उसका जवाब मैं आपके सामने रखने आया हूं और मैं जनता के सामने रखूंगा. बिकॉज दिस इज अ सीरियस मैटर वेयर फैंटास्टिक वर्क इज बीइंग डन, इकोनॉमी इज ग्रोइंग. उसको डेड इकोनॉमी मानता है. वी आर साइनिंग 9 ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट्स. ओके, लुक, द इंटरनेशनल सिचुएशन, दोज थिंग्स आर नॉट डिटरमिन्ड बाय अस, बट द important thing is that when the international environment is difficult, in the midst of all that you get a very good deal. और अभी तो आगे चलिए, अभी तो बाकी बहुत है, ये तो ट्रेलर है, आगे चलिए. But this man is trying to look for an opportunity to, we sold out this, we sold out that. अरे भाई, थोड़ी ट्रेड खुद करो, सेलिंग का पता लगेगा. पार्टी तुम्हारी टूट रही है ना, तुम अलायंस में रह रहे हो किसी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में, जहां पे जाते हो, वेदर इट्स बंगाल और तमिलनाडु और एटसेट्रा. He should be worried about that. उसने शुरू किया. मुझे किरण जी ने पूछा कि मैं इतना फिट क्यों हूं. मैंने सोचा ये वाकई में कोई फिटनेस डिटेल देने जा रहा. नहीं, he was going to make a convoluted point कि ग्रिप होगा तो ये होगा, चोक होगा. So, as I said, welcome to elements of buffoonery. Sorry, have I answered your question? जो उन्होंने कहा कि they are filing a privilege motion insofar as authentication is concerned. He said जो मैं बोल रहा हूं authenticate का, let them do that. We have said these are untrue. और उसमें कोई डाउट था तो मैंने बता दिया कि मेरा नाम जो उठाया उसने, मैंने बोल दिया. I'll repeat, 8 साल में 3 या मैक्सिमम 4 मीटिंग्स. एक जो मेरी सब्सटैंटिव इनकेस, आई एम एडवाइजिंग देम ऑन डिजिटल इंडिया, इंटरनेट पेनिट्रेशन, मेक इन इंडिया, इवन बिफोर द मिशंस आर हियर. एंड द सेकंड ईमेल is calling me by names, he's calling Indians by name. If you meet an Indian and a snake, kill the Indian first. So ये राहुल जी, आप जरा, आपको अगर जो करता है ब्राजीलियन मॉडल, ऑर्डिनेंस फाड़ना और बाकी ये जो आप एंटरटेनमेंट करते हो, थोड़ा सा इस पे नंबर आपका गलत डायल हो गया लगता है. हाँ जी, सॉरी. वीजा, कोई वीजा के बारे. हाँ, ऐसा है. मैं ग्रेड 1 एम्बेसडर था बहुत साल, 14 साल में एम्बेसडर था. मैं जहां पे भी रहा हूं, मुझे लोग कहते हैं यार हमारी वीजा के. मैं 7 साल हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर्स मिनिस्ट्री में था. ठीक है, मेरे को अमेरिकन वीजा के लिए फोन करते हैं, मुझे ये करते हैं. तो ये जो वीजा की रिक्वेस्ट आई थी, मैंने क्या जवाब दिया? मैंने जवाब नहीं दिया. आई पास्ड इट ऑन टू वन ऑफ माई कोलीग्स हु पास्ड इट ऑन टू अ पर्सन हु इज देयर एंड सेड अप्लाई ऑनलाइन. इज दिस शोइंग अ फेवर? अगर आप मेरे को पूछते हो कि अगर मैं, आई एम नॉट इन्वॉल्व्ड इन दैट मिनिस्ट्री, इवन इफ आई वाज इन द मिनिस्ट्री एंड आई से अप्लाई ऑनलाइन, इज दिस डूइंग अ फेवर? पवन खेरा पे तो मैं, आई थिंक आई नीड टू हैव अ सेपरेट सेशन ऑन हिम. सुप्रिया श्रीनेट पे आई डोंट वांट, बिकॉज मेरा एक भाई है my younger brother called Amit Malviya, वो कहता Shrieking Jane क्या कहता उसको? Something I don't know. But छोड़ो यार उसको. Pawan Khera is non-serious, but so is his boss. And because they get inputs from people like this. So this is the second reference. Somebody asked for a visa assistance. And I told somebody who told a second person, apply online. This is there in that exchange. Thank you.
Any more?
And I said, मेरी बहन अभी सुनो, ये किसान विरोधी ये हो गया। मैं आपको एक काम करता हूं, देखिए मैं इस समय आपके सामने आई हैव अपीयर्ड नॉट ऑन अ लाइन सब्जेक्ट, बट प्लीज रीड व्हाट द फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी श्री विक्रम मिश्री टोल्ड द पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी chaired by Shri Shashi Tharoor, and please read what my colleague Shri Piyush Goyal ji said on a number of occasions, and please you should go by what is in the joint statement, okay, between the two countries. अगर आप कोई बात के अपने आप कुछ कर रहा है, मैं बता रहा हूं, not only have the farmers' interest been safeguarded, but the Indian farmer, the Indian MSME, the Indian manufacturer has got access at a very to the world's biggest market. So we should be celebrating this. अगर आपका mindset यही होगा कि dead economy, sell out हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. So in your few lucid moments, which are few and far between, learn to celebrate it. Hani, please, sorry. मैं पुश नहीं कर रहा हूं मेरे भाई, मुझे कहा गया, क्योंकि मैं इंडिपेंडेंट कमीशन का सेक्रेटरी जनरल था और मेरे जो बॉस थे टोरियल रॉड लार्सन उससे थी है, तो उन्होंने कहा कि इंडिया के बारे कुछ करना चाहते हैं. ओके, तो मैंने कहा इंडिया के बारे करना. सो आई हैड अ डिस्कशन विद रीड हॉफमैन. उसमें मैंने कहा इंडिया हैज अपॉर्चुनिटीज. उसमें ये भी कहा कि हमारे यहां गुजरात में फॉर इंस्टेंस इवन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट स्टडीज आर डन इन गुजराती. और मैंने यह कहा कि लिंक्डइन हैज 28 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स इन इंडिया, पर आपको अगर ये बढ़ाना है तो इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी, आप यहां पे बढ़ा सकते हैं. और मैंने और भी कुछ चीजें कही चिट्ठी में से. मैंने कहा द जापानीज टेलीकॉम एंड इंटरनेट जायंट SoftBank, to mention just one example, announced recently that it had laid out plans to invest $10 billion in the Indian e-commerce space over the next 10 years. Snapdeal, an Indian entity, is the first recipient of $600 million in funding. The market buzz is strengthened by the election of a new government with a strong mandate bent on reviving the Indian economy with a major focus on digital India. ये मैं कह रहा हूं. और आई एम अ प्रोफेशनल. ओके, सो एक हमारी member of parliament, a lady member, she took me aside, she said many of these people are very jealous. मैंने कहा यार कुछ हुआ होता तो मैं बात कराता ना, मैं तो इसी पे रह गया. After that, anyway, so let's on a serious note, but anyway, I think you wanted, yeah, there and there.
एक मिनट,
Lady first.
On the subject.
No, I've given you the. No. I'll tell you something. Please, you came late. Please have a look at Vikram Mishri's detailed presentation to the standing committee of the Ministry of External Affairs headed by that. Listen, I have come here because somebody took my name in that, and I've come to clarify that. I think Vikram has done a fantastic job. I've got his listing here. Please have a look at that statement. If you have any other doubts, I'll clear you. Insofar as the trade deal is concerned, there's a lot of clarification going on there. You see, it's not the commitment or something. It's at that intent. For instance, if your trade is 77 billion or something, 100, I'm not getting into those because I don't deal with those issues. Yeah, again, I'm sorry, just because I'm giving you the floor, because you came late, I thought it's not fair because I don't deal with the subject. I'm happy to answer anything on the issue which I'm doing. Again, I go back. The trade deal is a top-class deal because, I'll tell you why. The world situation has changed. Earlier, you were dealing with multilaterally negotiated trade agreements. Here, one party has unilaterally come and changed the ground rules. Within that, you've been able to bring it down from 50% to 18%. And this is the framework of an interim deal. Going forward, you'll be heard. And Vikram has said very categorically, we are committed. India is committed to our consumer. During the last 10 years, in the midst of global turmoil, there has never been a shortage of energy. Availability has been there at all times. Affordability, we have some of the lowest energy prices. We will buy from wherever we have to in order to ensure that the demands of the consumer are satisfied. And we have diversified our supplies from 27 to 41 countries. Listen, this is a record which is very well playing, and I can go on. But I think you should also respect. Some of them want to know about, what is that island called? I don't want to know it. Weatherhead? No, I didn't go there, unfortunately, or for some of them, because if I'd gone there, there was a plane also. Yaar, uska naam bhi bada interesting tha.
You just mailed.
I mailed something on the Indian economy and the potential of the Indian economy, and I'm very proud that after so many years, I was proved right on the potential of the Indian economy. Thank you very much.
Okay. One more. Give me.
अरे दोनों कर लो यार. और मेरी 5 बजे की मीटिंग थी, which has been postponed. हाँ.
एक मिनट हाथ है. Question.
पेपर निकालना. हाँ. अरे यार इसको मैं भेज दूंगा आपको.
वो फोटो भी दी.
Okay. Thank you. Listen. That's why I started by saying, please see what Vikram has said. Please see that. Yeah.
Anything related?
Anything else? Huh?
Anything related?
Arey dekho, my advice to both of you, everybody, that's the start of the process. Rejoice in the fact that from imposition of a punitive tariff, this, that, you are now back to doing business. Give it a little time. Don't seek answers of 2028 in 2018.
Thank you.
I think that lady also. I'll give you time. Yeah, but listen to me. Again, the question is, dude, somebody was convicted as a... He was a very prominent member of New York society. Half the world that interacted with him had no clue to his past. Okay? But that's not the issue here. We have to deal with people in our lifetimes. You know, I was a young first secretary in Colombo. And I was sent to negotiate with a man called Velupillai Prabhakaran, who was the LTTE chief. Okay? Just because I was negotiating with Prabhakaran, who was the LTTE chief and who was later, alleged to be LTTE's killed or, was responsible for the death of assassination of Prime Minister. Does that make me, because I'm talking to a terrorist, does that make me share the terrorist values? Let's be. 2008, my God, I said in 8 years, I met him 3 or 4 times. Okay, now, I can tell you frankly, the first time that I met him, I was ambushed. I was told by somebody, my boss, that, I want to take you and the chairman of the commission and other members of the board to a dinner. So I said, where? He said, I won't tell you the address, because if you get the address, you may not go there. And when we Googled it, these days, if you tell me, meet me somewhere, I Google it, I'll know where exactly it is. So, this is minimal interaction. But if your answer is, in 2008, in 2008, he pled guilty, yes, for a charge that he was soliciting the favors of a woman who was underage. That was it. The rest of these stories got to be known much later. But believe me, many of us had doubts on that. That's why people like us left. You got the point? So to try and rake that up and say, मंत्री महोदय जी, आपके मंत्री महोदय का भी नाम आया. मैं बताऊं आपका नाम कहां आया है? You want me to get started on that? You want me to start? Where do you want? You want me to start with a 155 millimeter howitzer? You wanted me to start with other this thing? Aapka naam kahan hai? We don't conduct political discourse like this. We allow parliament to function. जिसने कुछ बात करनी होती है, वो अपनी बात रखे. यहां पे एलिगेशन लेके स्कूट भाग जाओ जाके बाहर। अरे बात तो कर लो। और पार्लियामेंट के बाद वो पता नहीं, मैंने आई वाज हाउसिंग मिनिस्टर, वो नहीं जो पार्लियामेंट कॉम्प्लेक्स, वो लगता है हमने स्टेप्स बड़ी अच्छी बना दी है, आजकल वहां पे ही बैठे रहते हैं। कभी कोई डरा रहे पूरा सो एंड सो सरेंडर। अरे देख तो लो तुमने कौन सी ट्रेड डील्स की थी, उसके बाद क्या हुआ था और हमने क्या किया। शर्म आनी चाहिए ना, टू मेक एन एलिगेशन अगेंस्ट अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर हु हैज, एंड आई थिंक somebody got I think Kiran said, कोई माय का लाल नहीं है जो कह सकता है कि the prime minister would sell the country. He's given his life, he's transformed the place, he owns no private property. और इसलिए these guys ought to be ashamed of themselves. अच्छा, I'm in good form now, I'll take one or two more. Huh? Oh, he didn't take me, he said ambush is a word expression. Yes, yeah, it's a strong state. Oh yeah, overall the tenor of it, the very fact they're calling me two-faced, the fact that the guy in a mail calls me two-faced, and Terrier Rod Larson, who took me there, says if you meet an Indian and you meet a snake, kill the Indian first. स्पष्ट नहीं हो जाता इसमें? So I've answered your question as directly as I can. और यार उसको एक्सप्लेन कर देना। और अब मेरी सारी स्टेटमेंट लाइट नहीं है, सारी ले ले, शुरू से ले ले। अच्छा, वो जो मैंने कहा था एलिमेंट्स ऑफ बफूनरी, वो ऑर्डिनेंस स्टीयरिंग, वो सारी स्टेटमेंट है। इफ यू थिंक यू गॉट अ हेडलाइन एंड ओनली डू व्हाट यू लाइक यार। अरे सुनो यार, you write, you see, I'll tell you something. I have a feeling that these days, the kind of political discourse, you don't get so much fun as you're getting here today. So, जो headline बनानी हो बनाओ, be my guest. ओ यार मेरे भाई, मैं आपको एक चीज बता रहा हूं। एनर्जी पे आई जस्ट डिड ए 27th to 30th January, I did India Energy Week in Goa. We had कितने thousand लोग थे वहां पे? 75,000 people, ministers from God knows how many countries, and PM did a round table. All that we have discussed there. Today, let's not get things mixed up. Today, because of Mr. Rahul Gandhi's statement in Parliament, where he's thought to name me, and he didn't say anything more. Hardeep Puri's name is there. Hardeep Puri's name. Arey bhai, I'm telling you where Hardeep Puri's name is. I just read it out. You wanted a photograph, you've got the photograph. Then there's another email. And once earlier, in 2014 earlier, he's bragging to the White House counsel, the legal person. Tell POTUS to come for the high-level energy summit because a lot of important people will be here. Where he mentions Gordon Brown, the Prime Minister of UK. He mentions the President of Mongolia. He mentions Sultan Jabor of Qatar. Then he mentioned Hardeep Puri of India. Because I was President of the Security Council in 2012 and 13, India won a resounding victory in the election to the Security Council. So I was well known. So he's showing off that he knows me. But as I said, 8 years, total of 3 or 4 meetings, and their view of me was that one. And that gentleman behind you who talks about ambush, and also I'll give you the details, and saying that if you ever meet an Indian and a snake, kill the Indian first. Trade deal, I've given you enough.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
No, listen to me. I would be happy to talk to you about trade deal, but let me tell you, Vikram has already given a very extended explanation. Also, as I keep telling about trade deal, we have signed about 9 of them. And for a country like India, which has 50% of its GDP in the external sector, trade deals are very important. Now, India-EU trade deal, EU is 27 countries. Before that, we did Australia, we did UAE, EEC, European Economic Group, etc., not the EU, but a smaller one. We did EFTA, European Free Trade Agreement. So all these trade deals give more opportunities for your workers, for everybody. Then they started, agriculture mein sell out. Today he was saying data sell out. Pata hai, dekho mindset jo hai na, India is a dead economy wala. मैं बता रहा हूं, India's economy is thriving. The economy, the budget, the overall global view, everybody is saying that India has pulled off a big thing. अगर कोई डाउट हो तो पढ़ लेना, वो there are American commentators, Jeffrey Sachs का देख लेना. He said the Indians have pulled it off. Prime Minister Modi has kept his not only dignity, maturity, and he's pulled it off. Rest we'll talk later. Yeah, this is not the occasion. हाँ भाई, last one यार. भाई साहब, अरे भूल गए सवाल, कोई बात नहीं यार, और अगली बार कर लेंगे यार. मैं तो आता रहता हूं आजकल. हाँ हाँ. और मेरे भाई थोड़ी सब जल्द मत करो, हमारी पार्टी वाले प्रिविलेज मोशन देने वाले हैं. दूसरा, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इनकी जो मूर्ख ब्रिगेड है, वानसेना जो है इनकी, वो कभी ना कभी बाहर बोलेंगे और हम उनको देन वी विल टेल देम बाकी प्रोसेसेस क्या होती हैं. हम लोग मजे में हैं. सो उनके वी आर, समझ गए.
थैंक यू
थैंक यू
सो मच.